Creating animated scrolling logos in Squarespace can enhance your site's visual appeal and branding. To add animated scrolling logos, follow these steps. Prepare your logos. Ensure your logos are in appropriate file formats and are optimized for web use. Resize your logos to fit well on your website, as excessively large images can slow down the page load time. Add the code block. In your Squarespace site editor, go to the page or section where you want the animated logos. Click the Add Block button and select the code block. A code editor will pop up where you can enter custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Insert HTML for logos. Upload your logos to the Files section in the Squarespace backend. Use HTML code to insert each logo, referencing the file URLs. For example, add CSS for scrolling effect. In the same code block, add CSS to create the animation. For example, use CSS keyframes for horizontal scrolling. Save and preview. Save your changes and preview your site to ensure the logos are animating correctly.